welcome back to our channel Life Review. My name is Dave and today we'll be doing the unboxing of the new Kindle Paperwhite. This is the latest version. This is the Gen 12 and yeah, this is a lot of new features and let me tell you about those. But first let me show you around the box. So Kindle Paperwhite Gen 12 written in different languages, 12 Gen, 16 GB, so you can go same thing, and again 3 languages, black, Schwarz in German and Noir, I think it's in French, so it means the same thing, black. So it's the black version. And so this package includes Kindle Paperwhite 12 generation. So one update in this generation, this has moved on to USB-C. Earlier all of the Kindles were micro USB, so this is one good thing. And same thing in different languages. 7-inch screen, glare free. So this is it is matte texture. It's not the usual shiny one. Waterproof, IPX rating. So that's nice. You can go read this in your pool or your bathtub. Adjustable warm light. Again, this is one good feature of the Paperwhite. So this you can adjust the warmth of the light. It can be total white or it can be a little bit yellowish. Weeks of battery, of course. That's some legendary, the battery life of this. So commodity, this 12 Gen, of course, Wi-Fi e-reader. MRP of this is 21,999, but right now it's on sale in Amazon. You can get this for around 13,999. That is 14,000. Country of origin is China. Okay, so all right, let's go ahead and do the unboxing. So quite unique. You just have to pull this tab here and this opens. Let's see what in the box. All right, so very heavy. This is quite heavy. I had the older generation. Okay, this is the scanner and for some reason there are some dots here. I don't know what these are. And okay, so how to charge this, how to turn this on. So in different languages, very minimalist, so I like this. Another paperwork. So and this one will give you important information about the specifications, the wireless features, everything. Okay, Kindle Paperwhite, and this is the wire. Very good quality wire. Let me just show you. Oh, this is nice silky wire. So this long USB, this is A, and A to mic. USB-C, sorry, not micro USB, this is USB-C. This is quite nice. All right, now let's go to the main thing. Nicely wrapped. This is not plastic, this is in paper, so eco-friendly. And let's okay, I was trying not to tear this, but it seems I have to. Okay, oh, this is nice matte rubberized finish. I really like this. The earlier ones were plastic, but this is rubberized. So Amazon logo, and this looks very premium. Power button here. This is the USB-C charger, and this is the Kindle. As you can see, this is just flush. It's just glassy material on top. I think this is not glass, but yeah, plastic. So power on. It's written in different languages. This is how you do it. And let's turn this on. So blinking green light and it's turning. Is you can see the screen. This is, I think it's quite nice. It's very good. Let me show you my older Kindle just for comparison purposes. The older general Kindle, I think this was 10th gen, the normal one. This is not a Paperwhite, and you can see the difference. This is 6-inch, this is 7-inch. You can see the warm white. You can see the color of this, and you see this here. It's like there's a plastic here and the screen is recessed. Dust can accumulate here. As you can see, the screen is just this, but in this case it's all flat. It's complete screen, so there is no problem for dust and dirt. Okay, let's see. Let me just select that. The screen is very responsive. This is very good. It's almost feels like your smartphone. Otherwise the older Kindles were very slow. The e-ink is slow, but this one is very good. The refresh rate is high, and I really like this. And this, you can see the edge of the screens. This is a bit rounded, so it gives more premium feel on this one. Kindle branding here. All right, so I'm going to set this up and see you in a few minutes. Right, so I have set this Kindle up, logged in with my account, and yeah, currently I do not have any books in my library, so I need to buy them or sideload them into its memory. So this has 16 GB of memories in that, and the screen, as you can see, it's very sharp compared to the older models. This has 300 ppi resolution, and you can also go to the settings and change this to a negative display. So that's one good mode. Yeah, that is the one, dark mode. So you can just go through that. So the dark mode will be a little bit more easy on your eyes. We have dark mode in our phones these days. Sync all settings. So brightness, you can do that. Warmth is here. You can increase the warmth. Let me just turn off the dark mode. Yeah, then you can, yeah, so you can see this is getting For your eyes, you can turn it, select adjust the warmth mode, and let's go to the setting. Yeah, Wi-Fi, device options, screen and brightness, and as you can see, it is so fast. This is so fast. Okay, show covers on lock screen. Of course, we want that when you're reading the book, when you lock this, choose something to read and see its cover here, so this will be visible here. Okay, appearance is light, you can change it from here. And accessibility, home, library, help, and okay, so very minimalist. Just set it up and go ahead. Trust me, I have been using Kindle for the past, I think, what, 10 years, more than that, and it just changes your entire reading schedule. Go ahead, I cannot recommend it enough. Okay, so that's it for today. If you have any questions, put that in the comment section and I'll try to answer each and every one of you. I will do the full review of this device very soon and compare it with my older Kindle. So if you want to see those videos, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe and check out one of our latest videos. Goodbye.